Hello ma'am, I am Swati HR from first MCOM B1 section, and today's my seminar topic is a case study. And I have taken the case of Dabur India Limited Company. Let me give some introduction about it. Dabur India Limited, it is one of the leading FMCGs, that means fast moving consumer goods companies in India. Dabur India Limited, it's made its beginning in the small pharmacy in Kolkata in the year 1884 by Dr. S.K. Burman. It is Dabur India Limited. It is the fourth largest company in the India with interest in healthcare, personal care, and food products. For Dabur company, nature is lifeline of nature is a lifeline for their business. Hence, to produce their product, it always use Ayurvedic and natural methods. And the company is also a world leader in Ayurveda with a portfolio of over 250 herbal or Ayurvedic products. It is a world leader for the portfolio, and 250 herbal products, Ayurvedic products are available in this company. They operate in key consumer products categories like hair care, oral care, and health care and skin care, home care, and foods. And next case study and highlights. Dabur India Limited, it is rupees 2,234 crore FMCG company. It is a dominant player in the market, as in the domestic soaps category. It's increasing its focus in soaps portfolio with a two-pronged strategy. It is a dominant player in the market. It uses two-pronged strategy. Which are those means? One, to produce Vatika soap brand, and the second, to launch more soaps under the Dabur brand. They will have a very different profile. What are those means? They wouldn't be cosmetic beauty soaps. They are not cosmetic beauty soaps, but instead of they would have a core Ayurvedic heritage. They use Ayurvedic heritage built on the health platform. It is a main their concentration is on health, where Dabur Equities said, Mr. Sunil is a Dugal, is a CEO of Dabur India Limited. He said that the expansion of Vatika soap brand, it can be which has honey and saffron and sandal and saffron variants. It is expanded to the next version like summer special variant orange and orange peel and saffron soap, which would hits the stands soon. And the next is the initiative for Vatika brand. It is only to build up the scale in the portfolio, like different variants and additions and distributions and expansions. We are looking at a substantial growth in the Vatika franchise with soap. These words are said by Mr. Sunil, the CEO of a company, Dabur India, which launched the Vatika range of soap in 2005. It launched, but it touched the rupees 16 crore revenue mark. In the first year production, it touched 16 crore, and the company's portfolio is currently worth rupees 20 crore. And the total domestic soap market is around rupees 4,500 crore, and is currently growing at 15% in the market. And the next, we can see the analysis of the company case. In this case, the uses mainly two directions, and the first one is Vatika soap brand, and the second is a Dabur brand. Here only concentration on Ayurvedic products it is made, because only to attract the attention of the customers, and also to fulfill their needs and wants. So by neglecting chemical cosmetic products, it only concentrates on the Ayurvedic products. Mr. Dugal said that his plans to launch an Ayurvedic range of soaps under the Dabur brand, and also he believe it is an exciting initiative. He said that he's launching an Ayurvedic range products, and it is exciting for him, which he believe that it will give good results for them to play their cards right. If they play their cards right, then it would be the good result in the future, has said by him. And the next findings, what are the findings in this case means the company only concentrated on the Ayurvedic products. According to their plan, they concentrated only on the Ayurvedic products. They didn't check or analyze the consumers taste and preferences. They are not given so much importance to the customer's taste, because they believe and they adopted a Ayurvedic product instead of giving less concentration to the cosmetic beauty soaps. And the next suggestion about the case is the taste and preferences of one customer may different from another. As we can say, some may like Ayurvedic, but not all the customers can like Ayurvedic only. Some may like Ayurvedic products, but some other people may like cosmetic beauty products. All the thinking of the customers is not same. It is differ from one customer to another. So it's a first suggestion. To fulfill the customers satisfaction, the company could have been produced both the Ayurvedic and cosmetic products to grab the attention of all the customers. It would have been better that customer satisfaction can be the main point, and also if they would produce both the Ayurvedic and cosmetic products means they would be better to grab the attention of all the customers, and also to increase their sales in the market. It's my suggestion. And the questions, about the questions in the case, analyze the case and identify the core competence of Dabur India Limited. In this case, Mr. Sunil Dugal, the CEO of the company, concentrated only on the Ayurvedic soap instead of cosmetic, and it pays attention only towards the customer's health. But all the customers do not prefer only the Ayurvedic, because it gives the result later. Only when compared to the cosmetic, it requires some time, because Ayurvedic products are not very easily and very speedily, it would not cure. It requires some time. It requires some time, so they may fail to grab the attention of all the customers. And the next question is define strategy from Dabur India Limited's point of view. The company uses mainly two strategies, like producing Vatika soap and Dabur brand, which concentrate more on the Ayurvedic heritage. So it is different profile, as we can say. Mr. Sunil Dugal thought it will be good experience, because as today customers are moving towards the Ayurveda health care and all, he thought that it will emerge. And finally, conclusion about this case is, in this case Dabur company more concentrates only on the Ayurvedic products. Mr. Sunil believes himself, instead of analyzing the customer's needs and satisfaction surveys and all, he believe himself and produce. So it may reach customers, but it could he will produce both the Ayurvedic and cosmetic soap. It will be better, as I can say. Thank you.